morning, everyone. Hearty welcome to a video on 4-year undergraduate program in BA English Language and Literature. I'm Dr. A.K. Shahinamor, Head of the Department of English at Korambail Ahmad Haji Memorial, Unity Women's College, Manjeri. In this short video, I would like to give you a brief introduction regarding BA English Language and Literature as a major course at our department. The Department of English was established in 1991 as a graduate department. In 2000, it became a postgraduate department, and in 2022, the department is upgraded into research department. We are offering graduate level courses, masters and PhD at our department. Students can have two different options under this program in FIUGP pattern. Students can acquire 133 credits in 3 years and exit after 3 years with their graduation certificate, or they can move to the 4th year and grab 177 credits and get the honors degree. So if you complete your graduation in 3 years, you will get BA English Language and Literature graduation certificate. If you go to the 4th year, you have two options. You can be the graduate with BA honors degree or BA honors with research degree. You can see that a student can customize their program, or instead we can say that a student can devise their curriculum. Unlike the earlier pattern we had under University of Calicut as part of BA English Language and Literature, here the students will be selecting their courses. As a major course in BA English Language and Literature, you will be exposed to different kinds of courses. A detailed course on fiction, poetry, non-fiction, short stories, drama, and the like. Along with that, you will have lots of other courses. So unlike the previous pattern where everything was set by the university, here the students will be getting more choices and they have more options to customize their courses. Along with major courses, you will be having plenty of other courses, just like AEC, that is Ability Enhancement Course, MDC, Multidisciplinary Courses, and SEC, Skill Enhancement Courses. Along with that, there will be VAC, Value Added Courses. So students will be having opportunity to design and develop their curriculum based on different kinds of aptitude and taste and interest of a student. So as I have mentioned, a student can have different opportunities to customize their graduation. There can be a BA English Language and Literature student with single major or major with minor, major with vocational minor. That is how different pathways are possible. Department of English is offering 2 minor courses under Vocational English. I'm not detailing about the minor courses here, but about the major courses, as you all see, unlike the previous pattern, here you will be exposed to different major courses. 17 major courses will be there under BA English Language and Literature. In our department, there are plenty of flagship programs introduced by the department. There is a particular platform for the poetry promotion called Universe. We do conduct national and international workshops, seminars on research methodology and newest trends in English language and literature. Once you come to the Department of English at Korambail Ahmad Haji Memorial, Unity Women's College, Manjeri, I'm sure that the whole team of 10 teachers will be there with you to equip your command over English language and also to make you able with your critical skills as well as listening skills, reading skills, and the set of other skills that will help you to become successful graduate in English language and literature. So if you take English as your major course at our department, I'm sure that with your 3-year graduation degree or with your 4-year BA honors degree or BA honors with research degree, you will be able to acquire some skills and potentials which will help you further in your higher education as well as developing in your career. So I'm sure that taking BA English Language and Literature at our department will help you in many ways, professionally, personally, and academically. So I welcome each one of you to listen to this video and take the program. If you have any queries or confusions regarding the things I have mentioned in this video, I have given my contact details here. You can make a call or WhatsApp. Thank you very much. The team of Department of English is with you forever.